Today I'll walk you through how to add DMARC to Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up DMARC records so you can enhance your email security and protect your domain from spoofing. Let's get started. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your domain settings. If you're unsure where to find it, just log into your Cloudflare account and you should see your dashboard right away. Next, click on the domain you want to configure on your left sidebar. This will take you to the settings specific to that domain. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now, on the left side, click on DNS, then select Records. This section is where you'll manage all your DNS records, including the DMARC record we're about to add. Think of this as your domain's address book, where you keep track of all the important information. Once you're in the DNS record section, click on Add Record. This is where the magic happens. You'll be creating a new record that will help protect your email domain. Now, fill in the following details. For type, select TXT. In the name field, enter _DMARC. You'll notice that Cloudflare will display _DMARC your domain beneath it, which is exactly what we want. For TTL, leave it set to auto. Finally, in the content field, paste your DMARC string. An example would be v = DMARC1, p = none, rua = mail2admin@yourdomain.com. This string tells email servers how to handle emails that fail DMARC checks. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save. This will finalize your DMARC record, and you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully added a DMARC record to Cloudflare. This is an important step in securing your email communications and ensuring that your domain is protected from unauthorized use. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.